Hello and welcome to this special episode. Storyboard and Twitter presents Best of Tweets, Brands Leading the Way. 2021 has been a roller coaster of a year with many ups and downs. It also gave us an opportunity to reflect, reimagine and reset our world, to gauge the impact of this shift on our businesses and to understand how brands are pivoting their strategies and realigning them in today's digital-first world. Twitter looked at the most impactful and memorable marketing campaigns through Best of Tweets 2021. Twitter is what's happening in the world and what people are talking about. The audience on Twitter shapes and moves conversations that matter. As brands have continued their digital-first approach, in many ways, Twitter has become the go-to space for brands to stay relevant amongst consumers, leveraging services real-time conversational nature along with its customizable suite of ad products. This year, we witnessed a pool of groundbreaking brand work that surpassed creative touchstones and also left a mark on audiences' hearts and minds. As we wrap up 2021, Twitter has looked at some of the most memorable and impactful marketing campaigns throughout the year in Best of Tweets 2021, Brands Leading the Way. To discuss this and more, we have Rishabh Sharma, head of Twitter Next India, with us today. Welcome, Rishabh.
Thank you for having me on the show, Shibani.
Rishabh, this has been an interesting year for brands all across. Talk to us about some of the highlights and those special moments that stood out for you this year.
Yeah, one, it is always a pleasure to take a moment and look back at the year, especially through the lens of business and creativity. And it has been some year. And like you perfectly just summarized, there are a few patterns, if I were to term them as highlights and perhaps moments that will continue to matter for years to come. Now, millions of conversations happen on Twitter and in India every day. These conversations, you put them all together and it tells us and informs us how the world is changing and evolving. Now, what we also see, these conversations enable us to look into consumer insights, pattern, and actually prepare what we call as insights for brands to leverage and design their campaigns on Twitter. As recently this year, when we released Twitter Trends in 2021, we did identify 6 key trends that were shaping the public conversation. And I'll just name a few of them. The focus on well-being, the focus on self-care, everything that we have done in the last few years that has enabled us to live a better life, look forward to health before everything else, and moving on to other trends that are focused on creator culture, uplifting ideas and voices, identity, embracing your own self, caring for the planet, all about sustainability. Now, these are some of the trends, as I mentioned, are topics that brands did aim to connect with, if not all, but perhaps a piece of it. Now, if I were to go a bit deeper into what we saw, or even from our team perspective, what we saw as highlights, let's start from purpose, right? Purpose is a word that we often hear in the advertising and marketing ecosystem. But what we are seeing now, and as recently as this year, is purpose is a consistent theme in messaging now, and it's no longer just a brand campaign. This was bound to happen. We have seen growing trust deficit amongst the consumers, and the demand on the brand to increasingly and consistently contribute to the society is at large. And now this is far more deep-rooted. You see every initiative, every message that a brand and a marketer puts out, you see them do that from a lens of inclusion and diversity. On the second part, we are seeing diversification in content from the brands and how they're going about doing it. Now, audiences on Twitter come from diverse backgrounds, speak many languages, and of course, they engage in multitude of conversations. Now, when it comes to these fans, as you would call them, fans who speak in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, among many of the languages, these are some of the most passionate and engaged audiences on Twitter. And brands are acknowledging that. They are designing campaigns as diverse. They are creating strategies and destinations that are paying ode to that fandom. And a great case in point there is Netflix tapping into this culture unit and announcing Netflix India South a handle on Twitter that is dedicated to celebrate the fandom for Southern cinema. And if we were to look beyond India, Spotify dedicating account for all things K-pop across Southeast Asia. And if I were to conclude with one last thing beyond purpose, beyond diversification, is brands just keeping it real, simple, and human. In India, we've often looked at these brands as only a few of them, as brands we have celebrated as socially best in class, those who have been able to dissect and deconstruct the social audience earlier. However, this is no longer restricted to those few brands. We are seeing emerging brands, brands from the SMB communities, leading brands, more and more brands embracing humanness, creating a distinguished space on Twitter that is culturally relevant and connecting with moments authentically.
Absolutely. Those are some great insights, Rishabh. Also, since we are speaking to each other on the Best of Tweets special episode, can you share with us how this property has evolved over the years and specifically in the past 2 years?
Yeah, to start with the name itself, Best of Tweets was recently coined as a global property last year. Now, we've always looked at brands at the year end across many years and celebrated best-in-class work in order to demonstrate the service potential and inspire marketers to create human-centric work worth talking about. Going forward, as with majority of the products, there is an evolution life cycle. Same goes for Best of Tweets. What we noticed was what is great work, or what was great work a few years back, is perhaps table stakes now, right? And that just is a testament to the creativity and the opportunity that the marketers have been leveraging across the timeline. When we look inside that, what we see is clear and emerging patterns on how brands are connecting and launching on Twitter. Now, we were also very intentional about how do we qualify and how do we bring these categories alive. And there are two broad things that I will want to touch upon there. One is to go beyond numbers, right? Sometimes when you celebrate work, you often looked at that with a quantitative lens. We wanted to see and unpack the layers of a campaign. If there was a video campaign, what was beyond the numbers? How relevant was the message with the audience? What was the media plan look like? And the brand's potential and the brand's usage of Twitter advertising suite of products. So it's a combination of multiple factors that has really evolved this property and this year-end Best of Tweets that we do for brands. And lastly, one clear trend as recently as these years, we are seeing emerging brands feature more and more in not just in our nomination, but perhaps even winning some of the categories. That is a true demonstration to say how brands are actually leveraging and connecting with some of their consumers, their interest and objectives and goals across the Twitter's full funnel solution.
All right, Rishabh, now let's not keep our viewers waiting any longer. And we have been talking about the process of Best of Tweets. Let's quickly unveil the brand categories for Best of Tweets 2021. Rishabh, now I know that you have on your end identified some of the campaigns that caught your eye and attention and won over everyone's hearts across multiple categories. Can you walk us through how you define these categories for the year and the campaigns that really stood out?
As we go about designing the year-end categories is to capture every single objective that a brand is able to achieve today across Twitter's full funnel solution. Right? Now, let me break down how we actually go closer to those categories, starting with innovation. Today, knowing the public and conversational nature of Twitter, first thing that the brand today is aiming to do is push the technological boundaries and see how they can connect with consumers in new and different ways, right? So what does an idea look there? What defines as an idea that is best in class, that is unique and central to Twitter? Moving forward, we often speak about launches and connect. There is a launch every single month in the country. You would see brands like Samsung, Oppo, and Vivo, or automobile brands like Hyundai, Kia, MG Motors, all of these brands consistently launch products on Twitter, driving immediate awareness for their products and services. So what does a great product launch looks? What defines a great product launch, right? And moving forward to connect, there are niche moments on Twitter. There are occasions, cultural occasions to connect with. There are events, sporting events to connect with. So we looked at all these categories and started defining what defines as a great current campaign across a cultural occasion, across a sporting moment, and even go beyond. How do we acknowledge brands that are first to a Twitter's product feature? How the brands that are leveraging the new lineup of features and product enhancements that are happening and happening rapidly this year.
Also, Rishabh, as we look at all of these campaigns that left a mark this year, can you tell us how brands have tapped into conversations and communities creatively and leveraged Twitter this year to launch something new in a bigger way or connect with what's happening?
Let me break that down into how significant and diverse these conversations are. Let's start from online shopping, right? Something that continues to grow. Will grow for many years to come, and it's a behavior none of us are leaving behind. When we look at online shopping, and just in India, we saw over 13.5 million conversations. Now that's significant, and brands are taking notice. To illustrate an example, Flipkart India, their flagship sale, Big Billion Days sale, is a perfect case study to say how they were able to personalize and connect with fans on Twitter, where every time you engage with the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale, you were able to unlock personalized offers, something that we all do as we look forward to build our virtual shopping carts before a massive sale weekend. Now that's about shopping. Let's move forward to sports. As recently as Olympics, the tournament that brought us immense pride as a country, and no surprise that globally we saw around 82 billion impressions around conversation related to the Olympics. And a brand in India, Thumbs Up consistently connected with both Olympics and Paralympics as they took over Twitter, launched takeover campaigns to extend their support to the athletes playing on behalf of the country. And lastly, you can never leave cricket out of a conversation. And as heartbreaking as India's early exit from the tournament, the conversations continue to rise, right? Pre-tournament, during, and post. We saw over 75 million conversations. That is huge. Amphy. Now, Amphy has been consistently launching video-first campaigns on Twitter, where they are able to seamlessly integrate their banking messages around mutual funds as much as connect with the cricket fandom on the timeline. So all of these put together, the communities and the conversations, we are seeing brands are actually finding their niche and connecting and designing for these conversations.
Okay. Rishabh, we are few days shy of the new year. Lastly, before you go, can you quickly tell us what's keeping you excited for 2022?
2021 has been a really exciting year. And one clear reason for that has been the speed and the number of features and product that our teams have actually just published at a lightning speed. And that alone is something that excites us and excites me personally, as we are very laser focused on ensuring Twitter is the preferred destination for every brand in India to launch new products, services, and messages, and connect with vast majority of moments that are happening right now, will happen perhaps tomorrow, and the world will be speaking about them. And as I wrap up, to leverage all of this opportunity, how we think together with our audience, keeping technology at the core of our thinking, and together with our channel partners, we will look to innovate, design, and build bespoke solutions for every single brand in the country. And that's a really exciting part to be on.
All right, Rishabh, thank you so much. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Shubhani.
Let's now shift our focus to brands that stood out in each of the categories.
A brand that is human-centric, socially engaged and connected with the society in an authentic way to drive meaningful impact.
After waves of loss and despair earlier this year, people wanted to know they were safe. Understanding that people come to Twitter in search of information, Google India used their credibility and the service's reach to share updates around COVID-19, encourage people to practice caution and enable them with updates around vaccination, made them aware of isolation protocols and more. Through Twitter, the brand not only enabled audience to stay safe and informed, but also engaged them in a way that created meaningful and lasting impact, winning it a spot on this year's Best of Tweets.
As you know, we as Google, we really care about providing access to information. Our mission is to make information universally accessible to everyone. And it goes without saying that this year, being as complicated as it was, that Twitter and the essential aspect of engagement with our users was immensely important this year. And 3 to 4 things really stood out when we thought about our strategy of ensuring that people and users and everyone within India had the right information. First, Twitter's ability to amplify some of the features that we were launching to help people find information when they needed it most. As COVID deepened and on the back of an unprecedented surge in digital adoption, there really became an urgent need and a demand for information on how to protect oneself, vaccinations, healthcare facilities. And outside of the pandemic, we launched several efforts as Google across our platforms to make sure that people could access the latest, the most authoritative information, vital safety and vaccination messages, testing and vaccination centers. And Twitter became an important channel for us to keep people abreast every time we were releasing new features as soon as they were rolled out. Now, Twitter's very uniquely multilingual in terms of platform. And as our products become more available and more Indian languages, when we think about communicating, really communicating with local language users in different ways across the board and thinking about short content is very important. Twitter becomes an incredible outlet for us across languages, across segments, but at the most important time when we know that users are looking for information.
Brand ideas that fall apart without Twitter and leverage the platform's unique behavior.
To stay top of the mind, brands go all out in making consumers the core of the conversations they are starting. And what better way to do that than on Twitter? This year, not 1 but 2 brands stood out with custom created only on Twitter campaigns. For its flagship annual sale Big Billion Days, Flipkart used a customized events page on Twitter, inviting people to the Big Billion Mukabla. Creating this timeline of tweets, the brand kept its audience engaged and excited by prompting them to like the tweet with their favorite products in order to unlock exciting offers every day. And then introducing second season of One Mic Stand on Prime, Amazon Prime Video also brought its audience to a center stage, asking them to vote for their favorite celebrity from the season's lineup by liking tweets in a 4-day-long real-time voting thread. These votes, over 41,000 in just 4 days, were broadcasted in Twitter's live stream.
We became the principal partner of the Indian Olympic team. This was around just around 40 days, a month leading to the Tokyo Olympics. India was sending its largest ever contingent, and we had a lot of medal hopefuls. But there was one missing element. There was no buzz, there was no excitement about the team going to Tokyo. So we said, we are actually going to create the first ever organized fan movement for the Indian Olympic team. And that's really the genesis of this campaign, which is Fan Ban Jaoge. Olympic is a 15-day, it was a 15-day, event. And while we won a medal on the first day, we actually had a hiatus of around 8-9 days before we won a medal again. But this fan army, 100 million strong, actually kept the spirit high, kept the hopes alive, and was able to maintain that momentum. So we started with Fan Ban Jaoge, which was the hashtag on Twitter. And And towards the end, when India was winning medals after medal, the hashtag became something else. It was fan ban gaye and fan ban chuke. And what was more interesting was that the official Olympic handle, seeing the kind of buzz on Twitter, said, "We hear you from Tokyo." So there was a very successful campaign that we did with Fan Ban Jaoge, and actually getting the whole nation behind the Indian Olympic team. Now, MPL Sports came after the Olympic campaign, and we are a young brand. We just celebrated 1 year, and the goal of MPL Sports is very simple: that we want to make cricket merchandise accessible and affordable for every cricket fan of Indian cricket across the world. And so the first big product that we really had was a cricket jersey, the new Indian cricket jersey. And this was a very special one because this cricket jersey for the first time is actually a fan-inspired cricket jersey. We collected the sound, the roars of the fans across the stadium, created sound waves, and incorporated that in our jersey. And we launched this. And the launch, if you remember, there was a very small time gap between the IPL and IPL finals, semifinals, and finals, and the World Cup. So we wanted to make sure that this got the desired attention. So we broke the news of the fact that there will be a new cricket jersey, actually broke on Twitter. And the initial momentum for this cricket jersey came out first on Twitter. People started trending the Billion Cheers cricket jersey. That's what we call them. And when we unveiled the cricket jersey on Burj Khalifa, this was again live telecast on Twitter. And the big momentum for this jersey actually came from that. And we are now on course to become the best-selling cricket jersey of all times in the history of Indian cricket.
A brand that consistently drove throughout leadership by leveraging Twitter's premium content partnership.
Through Twitter Amplify, brands can align with premium content from publishers that their target audiences are interested in. That's what Microsoft India did successfully to become the brand leader, leveraging premium content for its Microsoft AI and Security for All campaigns. Microsoft aligned with premium content publishers on the service and leading tech influencers to produce custom content that engaged audiences in informed discussions about artificial intelligence and data security. And what's more, the brand strategically committed to its approach with a steady drumbeat of content over 3 quarters, collaborating with marquee business publications to engage audiences in high-impact conversations and win this title.
The second one is around how do you ensure that you're using the power of hybrid to scale and create business continuity?
I think the campaign essentially stemmed from 2 critical focus areas for us. One is AI and data security. You would agree today every company is an AI company, and the decision to implement cybersecurity is no longer an option. So in our context, what we were looking at was to engage with thought leaders in this space to drive a credible share of voice in AI and data security. And that's where our partnership with Twitter really provided value. It's an obvious statement to make that Twitter is the conversational layer of the social internet where brands and consumers kind of can talk, thrash out agendas real time. And our goal was really to cut through the clutter and have the influencer voice speak louder than the noise in this space. More importantly, not just that, but speak specifically to those who matter. And I would say from that perspective, the targeting for us was extremely important and in a very precise way to reach to the specific people who demonstrate intent. So what the team did was, rather than going, the usual spray and pray approach, the team worked with Twitter to use what I would say a very laser-guided missile approach for identifying and targeting an already leaned-in audience, those who are interested in AI, AR, VR, MR, security, and cloud which were the topics that we were looking to convey the message against. I think sharp targeting is table stakes. There's no differentiation in that. But the excellence in that sharp targeting is what makes the difference, because the precision in identifying these right targets and engaging with them in a way they respond is where I think Twitter partnered with us to make that difference. And to me, that was one of critical reasons why the campaign was a key success. We had some monumental metrics, I would say, surpassing some of the industry benchmarks. We had a whooping 48 million impressions. We had 18 million video views. Our tweet engagements were nearly 400,000. And the positive share of voice uplift that we got was an added bonus.
A brand that brought a cultural occasion alive with their campaign and connected with Twitter's audience across segments.
To stay culturally relevant amongst the consumers, brands must participate in conversations in real time, and what better an occasion to celebrate with the audience than Diwali. Ahead of the festive season and acknowledging the challenging year the people of this nation have been through, Amazon India warmed people's hearts with their campaign. Through a moving video, people were reminded of the kindness of people during the pandemic, igniting a ray of hope, love, humanity in the darkest times.
This festive season, join us to deliver thanks to all those who deliver joy to you. एक छोटे से थैंक यू कार्ड या पोस्टर के साथ आप उनको थैंक यू कह सकते हैं. Click a picture of the poster and share it with us on social media platforms using Deliver Thanks.
We launched the second edition of this user-generated campaign called Deliver Thanks across our social media handles ahead of this festive season. The aim of this campaign was to encourage customers to share messages of happiness and appreciation for our frontline teams. So essentially, this campaign is a celebration of our frontline teams. Now, last year, during the first edition of this campaign, we saw thousands of messages and wishes from the customers for our associates, for our delivery associates. So keeping the essence of the campaign at its core, this year we urged customers to deliver thanks in a more personal way, for our associates. So this year we encouraged them to get creative and paste a thank you note or poster at their doorstep when they receive their festive orders. And we wanted more and more people to get inspired to do the same. And that's when we encouraged customers to post these pictures of their thank you note or posters on Twitter and other social media handles with hashtag Deliver Thanks. So like I said, in this campaign, it was very, very important to get word of mouth out there, inspire more and more people to participate in this campaign. And Twitter was the perfect medium to do that. We amplified the campaign on Twitter. We got more and more people to talk about this campaign on Twitter. We used the hashtag Deliver Thanks very effectively. And this campaign was live for about 2 weeks, which resulted in about 1,600 very creative entries from customers and over 10,000 hashtag mentions, with very warm messages of gratitude for our frontline team.
It is time for us to take a short break. On the other side, we have a few more categories and winning brand campaigns and a conversation with Siddharth Rao, Group CEO, Densu Megari Bhawan Group, and Krishna Iyer, Head of Channel Sales, Twitter India.
And Twitter present Best of Tweets 2021. Brands leading the way.
Welcome back. You're watching Storyboard, and Twitter presents the year-end special with Best of Tweets, Brands Leading the Way. And in this special episode, we look back at some brands and campaigns that stood out and made a difference. Let's take a look at the next set of categories and brands that stood in each of these categories.
A brand that connected with a new audience and created regional content on Twitter.
Regional content has been on the rise, and as always, Netflix India was quick to adapt. Leaning into the diversity of conversations on Twitter, the brand strengthened its connection with audience across 4 states of India to create buzz around its growing slate of properties in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam. To become a part of entertainment conversations, the brand chose Twitter as its destination to launch a dedicated account, Netflix India South. The account debuted in multilingual tweet and topped it with the launch of Nama Stories, a music video that celebrates stories from South India. The brands that took the live experience to a new level, bringing consumers into the fold in innovative ways during a launch. When it comes to launching products virtually, brands often face the challenge of building mass awareness while also driving consideration. 2 auto brands stood out from the crowd this year, Mahindra and Morris Garages India, becoming joint winners of this title. For the launch of Mahindra XUV 700, Mahindra leveraged a whole host of Twitter's products across the launch cycle. Morris Garages India, on the other hand, also took the Twitter launch route to introduce MG Aster, India's first car with a personal AI assistant.
Now with Aster, what we did was we brought a very differentiated story on board where we talked about India's first car with AI inside. So building the entire story of artificial intelligence inside the car was the backstory at which we operated on. And we introduced basically 3 tenets with the launch of this product, which was one, it was the first car to have autonomous level 2 in its segment, which by segment, I mean the SUV B segment. Then it had India's first car to have a personal AI assistant inside the car. And the voice of this assistant is basically powered by the Paralympian and Padma Shri awardee, Ms. Deepa Malik. So she powers the voice of the personal AI assistant. And the third tenet that we announced to build the AI story was Car as a platform, where Car will essentially host subscriptions and services on top of the car, where we would be monetizing the car as a revenue stream. So which included partnerships with partners like Park Plus, with MapMyIndia, with Coiner to introduce digital passport inside the car. So stitching this all together, if you look at the campaign that we did both on mainline as well as digital platforms, the platform talked about the AI affair and how MG Aster is the product that has AI inside the car. So basically for MG, we've been a long-standing partner with Twitter. In fact, the relationship goes back since the launch of the brand in India itself. For many people like me and people across the globe, Twitter is one of the most authentic sources when it comes to news or validation of information. So when we went ahead with the Aster campaign, our primary goal was to drive, a credible reach as well as consideration for the Aster launch campaign. And we actually leveraged the brand studio where we created a curation hub of all the content that we created for the Aster launch campaign. There was a huge support from Twitter's team as well to bring first of its kind products that we could experiment with. But if we go by the sheer numbers, while this may sound a little cliche, but we got really good reach of the campaign of approximately 63 odd million people, 17 odd million people viewing through the campaign. And I definitely feel that one of the biggest KPIs that people track is what is the kind of sentiment and engagement that you see on Twitter as a platform. So there were close to 1 million people engaging with the content as well, which talks about how the platform was actually driving the authenticity.
A brand that made use of Twitter's ecosystem and engaged with the audience.
With digital adoption soaring higher in India than ever before, several emerging brands across categories have been sealing their Twitter strategies to engage audience, acquire consumers and increase their share of voice in the market. Amongst these brands, edutech company Unacademy used a strategic mix of unconventional storytelling, creative execution and the credibility of voices such as that of Sachin Tendulkar, all while playing into the center of trending moments and conversations during the cricketing season. With campaigns like Teach Them Young and Mistakes the Greatest Teacher, the brand's great use of Twitter and success in attempting to redefine education for the country's youth makes it the winner in this category.
तो स्टूडेंट्स लोग इस बार आईपीएल से क्या सीखा?
मिस्टेक्स का एक नया टेक सीखा.
Kept things human and connected with the community throughout the year.
Several brands made their debut on Twitter Spaces, the service's live audio product introduced this year. Bringing together the sports community in high engagement conversations, Star Sports hosted several spaces with sports fans across the year. The brand also tapped into Spaces' popularity across India's cultural segments, hosting spaces in regional languages to give fans a chance to connect with their favorite athletes, talk about the most exciting in-game moments or just geek out in sports banter with the fellow fans.
A brand that consistently delivered best video content on Twitter with benchmark practices.
Finally, State Bank of India, the most followed BFSI brand on Twitter, has been successfully connecting with the audience through creative yet informative takes around conversations happening in real time. Aligning with the cultural moment of International Yoga Day, the brand engaged its audience in an interactive campaign to help them enhance positivity and well-being in their lives. Building interest through powerful video assets, the brand engaged people with an auto-reply Twitter campaign asking them to choose the kind of yoga they wish to explore. Each tweet that they engaged with, the campaign person was rewarded with customized replies demonstrating relevant yoga asanas. To scale reach and impact, the brand also used Twitter's takeover assets on International Yoga Day, owning the moment on the service.
To be kind. It's nice to be nice, because that's what you really are. A nice message about being nice on social media.
That was some groundbreaking brand work and some of the most memorable, impactful marketing campaigns in the year 2021. Now, before I wrap up this special episode, I'm joined in by Siddharth Rao, Group CEO, Dentsu Megari Bhavan Group, and Krishna Iyer, Head of Channel Sales, Twitter India, speaking to us about the key trends and takeaways from the year gone by and things to look forward to in 2022. Siddharth, Krishna, welcome to Storyboard.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you, Shivani. Glad to be here.
Krishna, can you share with us or tell us more about the importance of building communities in today's world and the role of Twitter in it, and how can brands leverage the service to launch their products or get or stay connected with their audience?
Sure, Shivani. Thanks for that. So, a community is an organic army, with varied voices, many faces, yet one common glue that, sort of holds them together. People nowadays do not buy purely based on, price, packaging, or quality. But there's also a very heavy dependence on who else in their circle of influence is recommending this purchase, and Twitter is what's happening and what people are talking about right now. Hence, connecting users to what matters fast and in an easy manner becomes key. So to aid this, we have multiple products such as topics to generate interest, communities for people to make easier connections, and lists for better personalization. The idea is to have people gathered by their choice of conversation and interest to further their discourse. So in essence, the platform has provided an opportunity, so to speak, for people to share, comment, and feel part of a community, allowing people to find escapism through the pandemic. Brands need to lean into communities, understand them, and engage with them on their passion points or areas of interest, and the platform gives them an opportunity to virtually join in. Now, over the years, we've seen not just individuals, but brands across multiple categories, traditional or new age, have leveraged, the platform and its influence to strengthen their presence. And the past 2 years, especially, businesses have pivoted to digital-first approaches, and social campaigns are becoming an absolute necessity. So Twitter has emerged as a go-to partner, not only for new launches, but also to sort of spread that message. So what we do at the platform is we work very closely with brands across categories to deliver campaigns with consumers at core of all ideas. And let me sort of share some stats over here. So 71% people rate Twitter as a good or great platform for engagement, hence making it the #1 platform for brand interaction. Now, owing to that, you'll see a lot of brands, old and new, that have been using Twitter and its ecosystem, to establish audience connect. So when you look at brand launches on Twitter, they're capable of driving, 80% plus higher brand recall and almost 20% higher brand awareness. And hopefully, going ahead in 2022, especially when there are major live events that happen, audiences spend, 20-25% more time on Twitter than any other social media platform. What this actually means is, being on the platform, marketing, investing on the platform actually makes a brand close to 88% more likely to be perceived as culturally relevant, right? So tying it back to the question that you asked me, Twitter has been a consistent partner for brands in India and globally, and has been helping them stay relevant by connecting them with audiences in real time.
From an agency lens, share some key macro trends to emerge from the year 2021 and learnings for brands and marketers for the coming new year.
Shivani, so one clear trend that's emerging is, and that's kind of reshaping our industry all over again, is seeing online advertising in the context of, in the context of a privacy-first world, right? I think we'll start seeing some of these trends that have happened in the past to reverse now. And we will in some way go back to the good old school techniques to advertise, right? We may go back from personalized to contextual advertising. Context on platforms like Twitter becomes extremely sort of important, right? Studies have shown in the past that I think 10% in certain categories, 10% of brand increase in brand conversation actually has a direct impact on sales by about 2 or 3%. Twitter is like the platform for passionate communities, right? And if brands can immerse themselves into that conversation, it broadens the bubble of the certain topics that those users have flocked together to sort of chat about, right? So hence ends up playing a very large role in how brands can potentially engage with their audiences.
Over to you, Krish. Going into 2022, what are some of the key marketing trends that you expect to continue?
There are 2 or 3 very distinct things that we believe will get a lot more pronounced in the coming year, right? I think marketing communication will get very divided, where you'll have one set which is extremely heavy on storytelling. They're going to elevate their position beyond their product and service offering, constantly nudge the consumer to almost equate them to an emotion or a thought and not just a need. We are also seeing a lot of brands sort of lean into audio storytelling, along with video through podcasts, through Twitter Spaces, etc., to engage with their audiences, right? So voice under the umbrella of storytelling is definitely the future of brand interaction as we see it, right? Social live audio will truly represent the opportunity, for social connection with empathy. The second thing that we see that's going to become very prominent is the exact opposite of what I just said, right? You're going to see straight up communication of brands offering what they're offering to fill a gap that the consumer has, So while the former would rely on, long form storytelling, interest-based communities, being relevant across cultural moments, the latter would focus on high frequency, easy to use ad products, whether it's Twitter takeovers, our conversation cards, our app install products, which essentially get the user started on the service or the product journey ASAP, right? So while this distinction already exists, we see that becoming a lot more pronounced in the coming year. And lastly, something that we have seen come really bubble up to the top through 2021, are two things, right? One is brands have to lead with empathy and purpose, right? I think without that, it's going to be very difficult to brands to sort of, cut through the clutter and get ahead. And the second is to be just authentic in everything you say and do. And I think that's where platforms like Twitter, whether it's conversations, whether it's communities, whether it's storytelling, or whether it's the points that Siddharth was just making, I think all of that only comes together when you sort of lead with empathy, purpose, and are authentic in what you're doing.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Siddharth. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Shivani.
With that, it's a wrap on Storyboard this week. You can catch all of our content on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thanks for watching. We will be back same time next week. See you soon.
Storyboard 18 and Twitter present